Hello and good morning. Welcome back to the channels of Too Long Days. We are going to describe about the classic vehicles we found one of the big yachts. There is available around 35 vehicles, which is very important and luxury vehicle to discuss about these vehicles. So stay with us one by one. We will going to discuss and we will explain about the models each models and we will provide you short information about this vehicle. So get a start from here about this vehicle. So the close to me that is Packard Business 1939 is 6 cylinder, still with a bright and clean, not in clean vehicles. The neighbor and the second vehicle of this side is also looking not and clean. Just check the display what they mentioned about this vehicle. So this is also very not and clean and bright colors. This is huge. This is Picard Taurus. It's 12-cylinder 1936 made in USA. This is Picard 12 series and 1,440,000 in it. The drive was provided by single 12-cylinder engine in 175 horsepower. This is unique, a little bit different and high quality cylinder is that. About this is Axis per 6 cylinder is 1928 made in USA and 3000 RPM. Get manual 3-speed automatic manual transmission. This is shape of this little bit short introduction with the luxury type rear seats. Look at the rims. It's wooden rims on the side and wooden footrest side. That's we just capture a little bit about the Picard is how with the original lights. It's not easy to find out this and to get the same parts related with the same vehicles. I think this is the oldest models about the tires and the rims. It's unbelievable how to get and how to find out that's the tires and the logo and rims. This is a little bit unique to get this on the side how it look like because this is unique and huge cylinders around style luxury vehicles on that time is also unique. About this is its price era 6-cylinder 1931 it's a long 147-inch and wheelbase was occupied by the new straight engines could be 132 horsepower. This is quite immense. Look it's how the cylinders throughout the exhaust system. You open from here and the side it will be for the spare tire is have extra place. This is and mostly they are right and left hands with the extras. Look at this. You have some cycle on that time or model you can create this now. So get it start from here. This is maybe around 35 cars in this year to be discussed about. This is the first phase, I think, the Chrysler type and bulky. Look at this. Huge around 35 cars in this yard, but belong to the Ford handle. You see, guys, lever start engine. Corridor. Couriers This model is 1964, made in US, with convertible roof. Look at this. This ride is 1953. You see that? 1953, 6 cylinders. How they increase the number of cylinders in the new collection. So this is some huge cars and huge models. You see that's Rolls Royce, the man's. I think the one thing they didn't replace only the model is the yes, many things. And the Fords, that's the Ford Country Squire is 1953, is 8 cylinders and made in by US. The old, latest and classic vehicle. This is also belong to the Ford or Chrysler. It's Chrysler is 1928 and 6 cylinders, huge. This is also the type of Chrysler's 1930 models, 1930 old in four-cylinder in 1928. You see, they have some simple lever starting engines. Turbine is 4 cylinders with diesels. Like it's directly clutch is here. This is almost all models for the Chrysler. I think this is the Bentley or Chrysler's. Only they have simples, not much more thing. Look at these cars. Okay, this is without headrests and direct exhaust. So it should be more noisy that. Ford T-Buckets, 8 cylinder, 1923. So this is their parts. Lots of. There's the stop, the parts, and the others body simples. This is simple in here. Chrysler Catron, 4 cylinder in 1952 model. Okay, that's just huge. This is Daimler's 6 cylinders 1939 model with all classic vehicle. Picard 5 to 6 sedan 8 cylinder in 1928, made in US, powered by a 288 CI 6 cylinders engine, mated to manual transmission with 80 horsepower output. That is unique technology on the time, with the same powered by 98 3-speed manual transmissions was themed for the crossbows and crossbows power. Plymouth Pickett 6 cylinder in 1938, made by US. Rally Ram Roadsters in 4 cylinder 1949 sport saloons in 250 2500 cc engine produced is held in 100 horsepower only, 50 mad, like it is alone. Some few cars, not more than 500. And this is the oldest model, Jebel Ali. Port of Jebel Ali. The old models. Nothing. There's introduction on the display. And all models in here. This is inside something there. It's on the other corners. They have around some parts and classical things, old models. This is so this was the short review about this little classical yard. It is beautiful. They have many cars. 35 is smaller, but you can also explore in here. It's located here, and Fujira is close to Horfakan area. You can also visit in here. So for more information, subscribe our Facebook, Instagram as well. I hope you will like it and you will subscribe our channels. Leave your comments. See you in the next video.